Cool. Hmm? Around there. Close.
Okay, everybody. So the last time we come closer. Now this is the last part. Let me just show you some ways about how you tell the real Jade from holiday facials. Now look at here. Those are the very traditional jewelry Chinese bracelet. And ask lady search two samples. They are both real but a different quality. First, we look at this one. It is the same grade we started to show you. This is the B. That's B quality. And look at this is the better A grade. But usually, from a color to see, a lot of people they prefer this color just because it looks more colorful and more like Chinese jade. That's still the reason people like to pay a lot of money only for colors. They don't know about the quality. So the first way, let me show you how to tell that's better A grade or just medium B grade. Look at here, I got a piece of agate. It's one type of jade, but you also can use a money coin and try to mark it. Listen the sound, you will be find it different. So first, let me listen the sound of B quality. This is B, just listen. So the sound is ding, ding, ding like crystal. Right, but now we try to listen to A quality one. Did you find something different? Let me just try again. So the B quality one, the sound feels lower. It's more down sound, right? But A quality, it's much more higher pitch, like a viol or range. Just because this is older, it's more denser, so the sound is more higher pitch. And we should be remember that in the market, we cannot only check the colors, it's not important, okay? So at the last, I have a special way to show our ladies and gentlemen. Later, if you want to choose one traditional bangle for yourself, even for your family members, how you choose the right size, we can find it's made of one piece. And look at the circle, see the bangle's diameter, and we can part ladies similar hand. First the 1, 2, 3 knuckles, has 3. It means that's the right size for you, we can wear it easily. So later, if ladies prefer bangle, you also can have a try here. They can show your size, but you don't worry. If we cannot take it off, that is it should be free for you, okay? So alright, that's all my introductions. And now you can just walk around here. And thanks for listening. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. If you like this film, please.